What's going on, guys? Welcome back to DIY guitar making. I'm here in the shop. It's a beautiful day outside. This is day one of the first spring class for my acoustic guitar build workshops. The two students, Ed and Brian, are not here yet. I got here a little bit early, so I figured, hey, I'll make a video. I'll talk to you guys a little bit about what my setup is here and what we're going to be doing today on day one. So this is kind of what the shop looks like before one of my workshops starts. Okay, and of course we've got the back area back here. And why don't I start by just showing you guys the bunks that I have here with the students' guitars set up. Some of these are students' guitars, some of them are builds that I'm working on, like these two up here are special builds that I'm working on, but here are the two students for today. So we start out with some of the parts are fabricated to a certain extent, but nothing like you would see, say, in a kit build. For example, we do start out with the two book matched halves already joined together, and that is so that they can also be thicknessed, because thicknessing is just kind of tedious, and hey, we have to fit this into a 9-day frame. But we're doing all the neck carving, we're doing all the brace carving, we are, voicing the top, we are installing the frets, doing all the fret work, we're doing all the important stuff. I've just cut out some of the really the tedious things that take time and you don't really learn anything. And actually it's taken me quite a number of iterations of these classes to kind of suss out what needs to be kept in this 9-day class to make it fit and what can be pulled out, essentially, what can be done ahead of time. So the only other thing that's done ahead of time is the sides are bent simply because they have to be held in this shape for quite a while before they can be used. So we don't have the luxury of bending the sides and then waiting several days to, to be able to move on to the next step. So this just gets us to our starting point right here. The way we're going to start today, once the guys come in, we are going to be contouring our two blocks. We have a neck block and a tail block. The smaller one is the tail block, also known as the end block. And this one is going to be contoured to a specific shape that matches our mold here, which happens to be 49 inches, 49-inch radius. And that way it will conform to our body size shape. Okay. What else will we be doing today? Not necessarily in this order. We will also be radiusing the braces and installing the braces on the back plate. That's going to be a 30-foot radius. A 30-foot radius both on the top and on the back. I have my radius dishes held in these cool StewMac shop stands here, and I had to do some retrofitting of the dishes to get them to work with these shop stands, but it's just a really cool idea. If any of you guys at home want to copy that, you can see I have another one here, same deal, another station for my students. And this just allows you to very easily and comfortably do all your radiusing, both of the braces and of the rim set itself. And it also allows you to literally sit under it like it's a table while you're carving the braces. Okay? What else will we be doing this morning? Let's see. Oh, kerfing, right. So we'll be doing the kerfing, we'll be doing the side braces. I like to do the side braces first and then install the kerfing between the side braces. It takes a little more time, but then you get side braces that span the entire height of your sides, which means there's no gap between the braces and the kerfing, which simply means there's less potential for catastrophic splitting. Plus, you altogether will have a more rigid side. And for the sides, rigidity is the name of the game, not looseness or responsiveness like you want with the top or the back plate. You want the sides to be stout. And then in the second half of the day, we will be carving the back braces. Ultimately, by the end of, or by the middle of tomorrow, we will actually be attaching the back to the rim set. Among other things, just kind of giving you guys an idea of what the first day kind of looks like here at the shop. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you guys. I think through the course of this first class here, I will do this again, and maybe even with the students here, and I'll just share a little bit of what we're doing and some tips and tricks about lutherie along the way. By the way, the April 28th to May 6th class, which is coming up pretty soon, still has one spot available in it. So if you guys are interested in getting into a workshop this spring, you can register at ericschaeferguitars.com. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye for now. If you learned something here, please give this video a like and subscribe so you can be notified when I release a new DIY guitar making video. And if you want to really learn more, take one of my structured online courses at ericschaeferguitars.com or register for a hands-on guitar building workshop here with me in Burnville, Pennsylvania.